They don't really care about the trends you like to follow. You know what they say, they here today and gone tomorrow. Oh.
Welcome back to our channel. Why? Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Hikwa.
I'm Naya.
And I'm Kwana.
And we're the Mocha Sisters.
As y'all can see in the intro, we doing... This is the second time.
Kwana, we told you to leave it alone.
As y'all can see in the intro, we're presenting to you guys Mochaween. And today, what we'll be doing is we're gonna basically just be showing you guys our Halloween costumes for this year. I'm gonna be you can say it, Ice Princess. Naya's gonna be a ugly clown.
No, that's not what I'm gonna be.
What are you gonna be?
I'm gonna be a chic clown.
Glammed up clown.
Glammed up
clown. And I'm gonna be an Egyptian goddess.
Look at the bangles though. Show them.
So no, we're gonna kind of do this like makeup tutorially. We're gonna show you guys the kind of stuff that we're using. Like if you want to recreate these looks yourself at home. If you want to be like Kwana, or if you be like Naya, or if you want to be like Nikwa. Let's get it. So this is like a y'all gonna get the real raunchy way to do an ice princess. I'm not gonna like this is some do it yourself creative Halloween costumes. We're gonna go with the flow right now with this one.
Guys, I don't have any type of black liner. So I'm using a lipstick that's black.
Liquidy. So alright, Mocha Sisters viewers, it's gonna keep it real honest with you guys. We're low on, products, and Naya's giving it to y'all real gritty. So
So for my glam clown, you don't really have to do your eyebrows. It's kind of blended in with the makeup look. So they're starting the eyebrows, and I'm kind of drawing like the shape of a triangle above my eyebrow.
I just like this is like the definition of DIY. Okay, seriously. So I have this broken palette. There's some white right here that I'm gonna use on my eyebrows and most of my face. I'm gonna use this predominantly. I'm gonna use this for the entire look.
Look at my clown eyebrow.
Cool, Nikwa. Yeah, that looks cool and it's creepy. Look at my eyebrow already. That looks nice.
Alright guys.
Why this eyebrow always taller than this one? Like
it always happens. Your eyebrows are never twin.
So my eyebrows are done. Anything that's out of the ordinary.
This looks funny as hell. I would laugh at myself for this.
Look at me with my white eyebrows. Right now, I decided to use this foundation because I like how it makes me look brownish. Like it gives me like a tan-y look.
Corner, why do you keep laughing at yourself over there in the corner? Yo, really, like blending out your face is a process.
Facts. I put some foundation on my lip because I have this brown gloss that I'm gonna use on top of it, and it's gonna make me look so more like to the theme. I'm gonna try to do eyeliner. Now I'm not good at eyeliner at all.
I'm really good.
Can I do it? For mine.
Can I help you do it?
No. Look.
Okay, guys. So the next thing I'm gonna be doing is the same thing I did to the top of my eyebrow to the bottom of my face, with the black.
So I put a little bit in like the crease of my eyes of it. As you can see, I'm leaving out like the natural contour of my face.
But yeah, guys, so I'm done with like obviously like the triangles, and then now I'm gonna go back into like I'm gonna like do the chic part of the clown. So I'm gonna be using this NYX glitter. It's in like pink and it's called So Pretty number 19. And let's see how that comes out. Also, in order for me to enhance and make it look brighter on my eyes, I'm going to be using the NYX glitter primer.
Alright guys, my eyeshadow's done. You can't really see right now, but it's getting somewhere.
You guys can kind of stick the color, the pink and the black mixed together. So now I'm gonna take the NYX glitter primer and do like right on my lid.
I'm contouring the hell out of this motherfucker.
Can I have some?
I'm contouring the hell out of this motherfucker.
Can I have some? Time to add the glitter.
I like to press my baking powder down into my skin. Guys. And do this face. Look at that nose. Come on. And catch the creases. Just catch the creases. This face right here.
So guys, now I'm taking the glitter and just patting it on there.
Cleopatra who?
So that I can literally pop.
Nefertiti who? Nefertiti who?
But
This is some white eyeliner. I'm gonna put it right here so. Right here so.
Magic making.
Okay, I'm putting a little bit of eyeliner on the bottom just to make my eyes look a little bit more distinct. I'm taking off my baking powder now. I'm gonna get into this white now. I'm gonna really put a bunch of white stuff all over my face now.
The way you describe things is just hilarious to me. To the next, guys, I'm gonna do like... I'm sad. Okay, so then next I'm gonna put like a glitter nose.
Just make my lips pop a little bit. Woo. Okay, we're working on the lips still. This white concealer is going on my lashes.
I'm just patting it on here. The same glitter.
I'm just taking the concealer and like smushing it up on the lashes.
Then I'm gonna take I have like a purple little glitter right here to see if I can make it pop since my eyeshadow came out kind of purple.
Okay, I lined up my lip. Wait till y'all see the gloss.
Oh.
And then highlight and then...
What'd you like to look?
Come on. Y'all see what's going on. I'm using the Take Me to Brazil palette. I'm using this blue color, like a frosty blue, and I'm gonna put it on top of the concealer. Just put on my lashes. I'm blending the gloss with the lip liner. A little bit. Ooh, this looks so nice. Look, Nico.
I'm gonna bright red.
What happened? Looking at myself, bitch.
Let me.
What happened?
Look at Gwen.
Oh my. Now I'm doing some white freckles. So I guess if you guys, whatever look you guys like best, you guys just watch that person in the video because we're offering you guys, we're serving you guys 3 different makeup looks.
Seriously.
Different Halloween looks. Halloween custom. And this is all on some ratchet stuff like. Right. Kwana just bodied her shit. The white freckle? Yes. And this was like
Can I use the white concealer?
just us finding stuff in the house and being creative with it. Literally. So if we could do it, y'all can too. Showing my look to finish my look.
Yet. You're like you show your look.
Wait. Just because y'all not done doesn't mean I can't show mine. You're retarded. You're jealous. Next. So to finish off my look, I added this beautiful. Let's get into this. Nico, sing the song. No, the other one. That's not it either.
What are you talking about?
I straight again. I straight again. I straight again. I explode on nigga butt. I'm adding this denim bedazzled looking embroidered. It's like supposed to be a choker, but my neck is too small. But it added to the goddess theme, so. Okay, so if you guys want to intensify your look and make it a little bit more official, you can add a little white shirt with a diamond choker just to make it like pop. If y'all want to make y'all look official, go get some sun goodies to it.
A shirt represents the whole clown theme.
Get into it. I think stripes always represents clowns.
Clowns
Me too.
and scariness. And
Your face looks very, I like it. Yeah, Naya's is really like different. Yeah. If you really want to scare your boyfriend on Halloween, you too. You look fucking.
As y'all could see while I was doing my makeup, I just baked a lot. I put a lot of baking powder under here, a lot around my face, and that made my contour pop a whole lot more. Like, look at that cheek. Okay, I did the forehead. I did my eyeliner because, you know, the goddess vibes, and it still, like, looks a bit off, but I like it. And I highlighted my lip, and I
think the liner on your lip is making the Egyptian thing.
Pop.
Like, it's. I think everyone who does that look.
Then get like a earthy tone lip gloss as well. This is creative. You guys just have to think outside the box.
Like DIY, white shirt, diamond choker, some white concealer from any palette that you guys have. It's literally, I did some veins here.
So as you can see, like normally clowns have like just black in the exterior, but I put a white to like make it pop more. And my tears, I added more glitter.
Go closer, show
I love the purple.
Right.
And I have like a milk mustache, but it's purple. And I had like a black to make it pop more. Normally people do red, but I wanted to do black, make it a little darker.
It looks nice with the black and white shirt with the gold encrusted. Yeah, the gold.
The nice bum on top. It looks very exquisite.
So this is our finished look.
Glammed up clown.
Yep. I'm the ice queen.
And I'm the Egyptian goddess of the world.
Happy Halloween! Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.